Hi, I'm Louise, and welcome back to Cooking with Louise. Today I want to show you some of our new pans. It's fall, and what does fall mean? Baking season, of course, so we have you covered. Today I just want to show you 3 of our new products, but we have lots more for the baking department. Ta-da! Donuts. Imagine having homemade baked donuts. You can do that with our new donut pan. Comes in the pretty blue teal in the back. This is a non-stick and will have delicious homemade donuts in no time. Next, we have our mini loaf pan. So this is 8 little mini loaves, and this is perfect for gift giving. We also carry little mini loaf boxes so you can wrap up your little treats for your neighbors. So today you can see that I have made some little mini loaf harvest cakes. Next, I want to show you something super fun that your kids are going to love, and that is our waffle stick maker. This little pan here, oh my goodness, so many different ideas. Today, I happen to make some little waffle sticks right here, and I found in my grocery store something called Fall Harvest Waffle Mix. So I'm sure in your grocery store you can find something comparable to this, but I was so excited when I found this because I love the fall flavors, cinnamon, nutmeg, and this actually has some apple in it. So today, I'm going to show you a little fun treat. Okay, I'm going to start using the whipped cream maker. I'm going to pour this up to the little fill line, which is about a cup of heavy whipping cream. You can add powdered sugar if you like. I'm just going to add a little splash of vanilla extract. You can add any extract you would like to add. And watch, in less than 30 seconds, I'm going to have fresh homemade whipped cream. Now when you do this, you can't be all dainty. You got to really put some oomph into it and pump it up. And in less than 30 seconds, you're going to have some fresh whipped cream. Also, it's a good muscle workout. Oops. Okay, here we go. So as soon as it gets hard to pump, then you know that it's done. So right now it's getting a little tricky to pump. You're going to leave it up, and we'll just take it off. And look, whipped cream. Ah! Okay, so now I want to show you my fun treat that I think the kids are going to love. So you can, what's it? Okay, so with the waffle stick maker, you can do like I made these fall harvest waffles, but on my website there's recipes for the donut pan, there's recipes for the waffle stick pan, there's a delicious blueberry crumble recipe for the mini loaf pan, but you could also do cookies in here. So think chocolate chip cookies, yummy! So many different ideas. Cornbread if you're having chili and stew, so it's just not for waffle sticks. So I'm going to take one of my little fall waffle sticks, I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to try to make a pretty presentation. I'm going to add a little of our whipped cream on the top. And then what is also good in the fall, some caramel. So this is just caramel ice cream topping. And I'm just going to spoon a little on the top. Oh my goodness, doesn't that look good? My mouth is watering just looking at this. So now another new product that we have is our flour sugar shaker. Well, we've always carried the flour sugar shaker. It just got a makeover. It looks retro to me. I love it. So I don't have any powdered sugar, but if I had some, you would just go a little powdered sugar on the top. And that is a delicious dessert I think your kids would love. All right, thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, give me some thumbs up, and please share. Happy cooking! Okay, now, this is what I'm talking about, people. Is that it? That's it.